Pomegranate Spinach Salad with Orange Vinaigrette. Imagine a salad that's not just another side dish but the star of the table. A dish bursting with vibrant colors, fresh flavors, and an irresistible crunch. This pomegranate spinach salad with orange vinaigrette is exactly that, a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory that will have you coming back for more. Leafy baby spinach sets the foundation, giving this salad a fresh and slightly earthy base. Juicy pomegranate arils add a pop of sweetness and a delightful crunch. Creamy feta cheese brings a rich contrast, while toasted pecans add a nutty depth that ties everything together. And let's not forget the dressing, a bright, citrusy orange vinaigrette that elevates every bite. Here's what you'll need to make this show-stopping salad for 4 people. For the salad: 6 cups baby spinach, 1 cup pomegranate arils, ½ cup crumbled feta cheese, ½ cup toasted pecans, 1/4 small red onion, thinly sliced. For the orange vinaigrette: 1/4 cup freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, ½ teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Start by whisking together all the dressing ingredients in a small bowl or shaking them up in a jar for an easy, mess-free mix. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. In a large bowl, toss the spinach, pomegranate arils, red onion, and toasted pecans. Drizzle the orange vinaigrette over the salad and give it a gentle toss to ensure every bite is coated in that citrusy goodness. Finally, sprinkle the crumbled feta on top, letting it add its creamy contrast without getting lost in the mix. This salad isn't just a pretty dish, it's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it a nourishing choice for any meal. It's perfect for holiday gatherings, light lunches, or a refreshing side dish to balance out a rich main course. Plus, the combination of textures and flavors makes every bite exciting. Want to take it up a notch? Add some grilled chicken for extra protein, swap the pecans for walnuts, or throw in some avocado for a creamy twist. The beauty of this salad is its versatility, so feel free to make it your own. Now, tell me, what's your favorite unexpected salad ingredient? Drop it in the comments below and let's get inspired.